The central government has summoned Meta's global head of public policy after the US-based social media company briefly removed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's social media post addressing India's youth and promising stringent measures to tackle paper leaks. According to sources, Meta informed the government that the removal of the Prime Minister's Facebook post was caused by a glitch in its automated content filtering system. However, government sources said the explanation was not satisfactory and that further discussions with the company were necessary. They added that the issue was not settled and done. The government also maintained that if the removal was indeed caused by a flaw in Meta's automated moderation system, the company must improve its tools to ensure such errors do not happen again. The post was originally uploaded by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Instagram on July 23rd and was later shared on Facebook. It featured his first direct selfie video aimed at engaging with young people while highlighting the government's commitment to take strict action against paper leaks. The incident also drew political reactions. BJP worker Preeti Gandhi criticized Meta in a post on X, alleging that the restriction of the Prime Minister's video raised serious questions about the company's political bias, transparency, and accountability. Following the controversy, Meta issued an apology. A company spokesperson said the content had been removed in error and had since been restored. The matter comes at a time when Meta is facing increasing regulatory scrutiny in India. In recent weeks, the Information Technology Ministry issued a notice to WhatsApp, another Meta-owned platform, over its proposed username feature, citing concerns related to online fraud, phishing, digital arrest scams, and impersonation attacks. The government has also served a notice to Meta over the presence of child sexual abuse material in paid advertisements on Instagram. Meanwhile, a parliamentary panel has also summoned representatives from Meta, Google, and X in connection with these issues, as regulatory scrutiny of major technology platforms continues. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.